Kreb cycle, my own summary of Kreb cycle. I have already told you to put context with 5 WH questions. So these 5 WH questions will give you context. So when does this pathway happen? Both during fasting. Why does this pathway happen? So it happens in fed condition. It actually extracts energy from acetyl coenzyme A, and in fed, during fed condition, if our body has extra energy, so that energy is stored in the form of fatty acid, and this pathway also helps in synthesis of fatty acid. So in fasting condition, this pathway will help in gluconeogenesis. So we have already done this pathway. This pathway cooperate with urea cycle, and this provide a substrate called succinyl coenzyme for heme synthesis. So these are the function of Kreb cycle. Where does it happen? In mitochondria. So you can see, during fed condition linked to glucose, and during fasting condition protein catabolism and fatty acid breakdown. It will actually protein catabolism in liver. So you can see these will provide context. What is how does it happen? So this is cycle. So in any cycle you will see one anabolism, uphill reaction, and other downhill reaction. So you can see uphill reaction is driven by the high energy bond that is present here. This is nothing but high energy bond that is present with acetyl. So this acetyl is a very small molecule. You can see a big molecule coenzyme A. Here is B5 is present here. So you can see coenzyme A is a big molecule. So this is the high energy bond that drives reaction uphill. Okay, this is a high energy bond. Now you can see this formation of this citrate. So you can remember easily citrate. You put this 2C here like this, and you can draw 3-carboxylic acid. Very easy. And then put 1 carboxylic acid here, and then OS. That is your citrate. So citrate will, in 7-step process, it will convert into oxaloacetate through catabolic process. These 7 steps are catabolic process, where you will see release of energy, and energy releases during downhill reaction. Energy is consumed during uphill reaction. Means uphill reaction is like anabolism, and downhill means catabolism. So you can see this coming down. Because of this energy, what is energy? Energy is NADH. Energy is NADH, 3 NADH. Energy is 1 FADH. Here you will see at one step there will be production of GTP. Which step production of GTP? When succinyl. You can see succinyl again. Coenzyme A. This coenzyme A, when it converts into succinate by succinyl thiokinase, there will be production of GTP or ATP. And you can see this is high energy bond. This high energy bond is trapping into this GDP will convert into GTP. So this is high energy bond is converting into GTP. So remember that bond, high energy bond, is the cause for energy. This has high energy bond, has high energy, and that is why that high energy will be transformed into other chemical form. So this is the summary of Kreb cycle. If you understand things in a way of energetics, you will understand things very much. You will see similarity everywhere if you see things in terms of energetics. I have told you in the beginning of the class, first class only, and the scientist Tesla told that if you see the universe in terms of energy and frequency, you will understand them nicely. So try to visualize this pathway in terms of energetics. High energy means uphill means energy requiring, downhill means energy giving processes. So these are the important enzymes. You can see vitamins, minerals that are required here in this. So you can go through this summary. These are the inhibitors of Krebs cycle. So this is summary. If you go through this summary many times, so it will be easy. That is why I have summarized everything in one.